How to pick the right stocks using this secret method. This method is something that I have not seen any other investor or trader use or promote or teach. So this is going to be something very exclusive. So make sure you take out your notepad, you close out your phone, and you pay attention. So you only need two things to make this happen. You need the stock chart and you need the 200-day moving average line. So whether you are using your broker or you're using tradingview.com or you're using yahoofinance.com, just get a site where you can see the stock. So what I'm using right here is my brokerage, TD Ameritrade, their Thinkorswim platform, and I have the stock SPY up, which is the S&P 500 ETF. What you also need is the 200-day moving average line, which is this blue line here. So you'll go to the indicator section, you'll type in moving average, and you'll set the time period to 200. So that makes it a 200 period moving average. And when you make each candle represent 1 day, then it now becomes a 200-day moving average line. So when we invest in a stock, which is also known as an asset, the goal is for the asset or the stock to increase in price, right? To go from here to there. We do not want the stock to start here and go there. That means we lost money. Our investment is losing, unless you're making money to the downside, but that's a completely different story. So a stock is an asset. When you put your money, your hard-earned money that you worked for, you want to make sure that the stock you pick actually goes up in value. So the way that this method works is it helps us determine which stocks are in an uptrend, which means which stocks go up more than they go down. So the 200-day moving average is regarded by the financial industry as the teller for trend, which means that if the stock is above this line, then we are in an uptrend. If the stock is below that line, we are in a downtrend, also known as a bull market, bear market. If you want your investment to make money, if you want the money you invested to go up in price, you want it to be going up. So the way that we do this is we can do an eye test, right? So we pull up the chart, we pull up this line, and we go, is this stock? Again, you want to make sure that it's also on a time frame where you can see a lot back. For instance, this is over 10 years or so. You're like, okay, is this stock above this line more than it's below the line? And the answer for SPY is yes. Now, there is a math way. You're like, Austin, but a line test is subjective. You don't actually get the actual metrics. And yes, that's true. If you go to yahoofinance.com, right here. If you go to yahoofinance.com, you'll see that you can type in any symbol. And for instance, I typed in SPY because we're looking at SPY right now, but I'll change it up in a bit. You can go to the historical data aspect and it'll show you all the past trading prices of each day. So you can go and you can download all the data, and I show it in another module of this course. So make sure you complete all the videos in module number 1 to get complete access, and I show you how to measure the percentage of it being above this line. And I even actually have another video where I show the stocks that are above this line most of the time. But yeah, so because I've done the math on SPY, I know that through the Excel file that I just showed you, it is above this line 67% of the time. Since SPY is the S&P 500, this becomes our benchmark, right? We either want an ETF or a stock that stays above this line as much as SPY, or we just invest in SPY. So let me give you an example of some no stocks, right? And then I'll give you some yes stocks. You may be wondering, what did I just watch and why did it go away? Well, you just saw a tiny clip of this video here, how to pick the right stocks using the secret method, using the eye test. If you want to get access to the rest of this video and all these videos, you can sign up for free down below. This course that I usually sell for a high price, that I've sold many times, I'm now giving away free access for a limited time. So go down in the link in the bio and click it, sign up for free so you can watch the rest of this video and the others here.